We made $5,000 trading NASDAQ today and are up about $20,000 for the week so far. I'm going to show you the trade I took today, recap this week's trade, and actually show you a little live clip from me taking the NASDAQ trade today. We made a massive move down in the market. Trump has been going absolutely off, but I did not catch the short, unfortunately. I got kind of destroyed today a little bit, even though we made money. I'm going to show you the live clip, show you why I took the trade, show you what we're doing so far this month. Let's just get right into it. So we are currently up about $20,000 for the week. Great starting week here in September. We had a difficult start, a rough patch, but we've been doing pretty well so far, recovering, being patient, staying disciplined, which is super important in this kind of market we're currently seeing, guys. So let's go over the trade we took today on NASDAQ. We grabbed a long on NQ off of a retest of a supply level, which was this level up here. It's a weak supply, looks good in the 15-minute, 30-minute looks good as well. We had a bunch of supply levels on NQ. Charts are a little bit messy today, but let's go ahead and go over my plan. So I post this plan every single day for my mentorship students, and I mean, the plan is a godsend. It works out almost all the time, man. I've been really accurate recently with these plans. But first thing was today, right? Honestly, the shorts, I didn't play the shorts. I already made some money in NQ, and I was like, okay, it's Friday. We're up 20 grand for the week. Let's chill out, be patient. We made some money. Let's not risk anything else. Like, I'm okay with being up 20 grand for the first week of September. Sets me up like crazy for the rest of the month. So I decided to stop trading. I'll show you the live clip here in a second. But ES closing under the 6,500s. We'll watch for shorts into the 6480s. And I mean, I don't mean to brag, but under these 6,500s for retests into the 80s. That was probably the easiest play today. If I was still looking at the market, I would have taken it, right? And good thing is, guess what actually ended up happening? Guess what ended up happening? A lot of the mentorship students waited for 500 for shorts. That key level, 500 for shorts, literally. Key level, all the mentorship students absolutely ate with the exact shorts I just called out for you guys there. I didn't take the shorts because I wasn't watching the market. I secured my profits on the NQ of that retest. But right? And this retest was pretty wide. We're looking for a major level of liquidity. So let's recap the trade today. I'll show you all the trade live, then we'll go ahead and recap the rest of the week, guys. But off of NQ today, right? Let's go ahead and pull up the chart. We opened up, waited for the open, saw NQ sell off, and we had a lot to kind of go off on NQ as well. A lot of confluences for the setup, right? But we sold off. And literally, as soon as I got in, there's like almost no drawdown, and we took first profits here at the 90s. I'll walk through everything with y'all, but I was obviously looking for the top end here of the zone. We're looking for the top end. It's today's high to get out. We took profits at the 90s and instantly got taken out break even as soon as we took profit. So you'll see the live, you'll see what I mean. We got super lucky there, but we kind of entered around right when 940 kind of started here. Let's go ahead and watch the tape on the NQ so you can see why we took this position. For me, it was a pretty simple position to grab, and obviously we got kind of stopped out afterwards. But all right, a little bit further back, right here is when we started seeing the action. We opened up and we pushed down into the retest, right? We retested, let me full screen this bitch. We retested that broken supply level that I was looking and using for a potential entry. So right here is what happened. We came down in, all right, to our supply retest level. We had major liquidity. So I actually talked about it early in the live. I was like, okay, well, this is what we could do up the open for these longs. Part of my plan, part of my A+ setup. I want to see a sell-off to major liquidity, fill liquidity, see exhaustion, and see buyer step into play to take the market long into these, not all-time highs on NQ, but into pre-market highs, right? So what happened was we opened up, sold off, filled liquidity, saw exhaustion from sellers, and then right away, we saw buyers come in, fill passive sell offers, and take control. It's a pretty simple entry. I use this entry literally almost every single day. Saw sellers get exhausted, fill a bunch of liquidity into a nice retest of supply, saw buyers step in, and then we took profits out at the 90s, which was 90s for me was a big profit level. I was looking to get the 40 points, got 35 points off that first target. Because if you take a look here, exactly, let's see, when we get to the 90s right here, we had, I hate how it looks like this on the NQ, but if you zoom in, we had major liquidity coming in here at the 90s that we filled. So this gets filled, didn't see a bit above. We took profits. I'll show you during the live. Right when we took profits, the market then decided to sell the fuck off like crazy, and it hasn't stopped selling off since. So FOMO for missing the shorts, yeah, but we're up 20 grand for the week. We followed our rules. We played it safe, kept being very disciplined, and honestly works out the best. So here's a live clip of me taking that trade. Bam! I like the retest. I like NVIDIA here. I never tried away from the zone, but I'm still kind of going to take this in here. Moving down. I just a bunch of liquidity. We just filled in NVIDIA RNQ, 53s, 21s. I just took over. Now we filled up wave liquidity on NQ. It's just from experience exhaustion now into that. And we're seeing buyers now take over. See if they hold. NVIDIA above VWAP. Great confluence. And I like how the VIX is making that much of a move up. And yet still hasn't really sold off, so it's prepping here. Hold on, babies. Hold on, baby boys, baby girls. A bit above, I'm in. All right, I'm in here. We're at 55s. On NQ. Nice even entry. So about 25 points of risk. We're going to be going for 9, 30, 25 is a bit high. 20 is okay. Decent move up here. Almost a 2-1 off of this push. Exactly what we need to see. Pretty obvious setup here. Let's just see if we can ride. Let's see if we can ride. High volume, a little bit, get hit. A lot of liquidity above us. A lot of liquidity. Like NVIDIA a lot too. We're in 20, deep in 20. Deep in. If I lose this trade, it'll be my only trade for the day. Oh, reversal melts the top. I'm just going to whack it down here. We get some A plus. We won't do it. We're very patient. So it worked really, really well. We took it a little bit away from the zone, but that's just because I saw where the liquidity was, right? The liquidity pool is more important, like these boxes on the chart. And again, liquidity is super key. So we saw it at the open, right? For keep pushing. I'm going to go back down and touch liquidity. I'll show you the book map here, but need liquidity to be filled. Find exhaustion, buyers took over right away on a day we're obviously supposed to be only watching for long, right? So because I saw that, I don't like this reversal bounce in keys. Hopefully we keep pushing up. There's a lot of buying pressure on this candle. It's pretty good. Those look good. So hopefully we keep rising out when there's a little bit of fake out here. I like the ES, like NVIDIA, looking decent here. Do about like a little under 8 grand with the risk right now though. I want to trim at these 95s, about 40 points, and risk free the rest. Pretty little baby. I think my beatboxing skills are fucking second to none. Come on, baby boys. Well, high volume level, let's go. Wrong direction. Boys and girls, you're going in the wrong direction. What are you doing, daddy? Daddy, please, what are you doing? Very close to my first trim there. About 14-ish points away. Ooh. Daddy, no, what are you doing, daddy? Personal bounce came in through and held. Stop loss getting close to being tapped into here, man. Yes, dumping again. Come on, baby boys. We're all-time high, baby. Longs all day. You already had your sell-off. Yes, didn't agree. Yes, fall now. Let's try. Yes, didn't agree. Fuck off VIX. Fuck off NVIDIA. I mean, literally, we're aggressive because the all-time high push is super bullish. Structure have longer time frames. So I mean, if you're shifting here on the 5-minute back to being bearish, just the way she goes, man. Sometimes she goes, sometimes she doesn't. She doesn't go. How she goes, you know. Shout out to the Park boys. I think today she's gonna go. I think we deserve to go. We deserve a bang. Nah, okay, we're gonna get stopped out. I can tell. Just by watching the tape here. I can tell. Yeah, we're getting stopped out. 100%. 100% getting stopped out. I know we are. I know we are. We're getting stopped out. Go ahead. I know you're gonna do it. Stop me out. No, I'm not dumb. I know you're stopping me out. Like, just do it, bro. You try and trick me. You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. Just do it. Just do it. Stop me out. Do it. I dare you. Do it. Do it. Do it, brother. Do it. Stop me out. He's gonna do it. I know you are. I know you are. I can tell right now you're gonna stop me out. I can tell. Easily tell. Easily tell you're gonna do it. Just do it, man. Just do it. Rip all the dreams, man. Rip. You're gonna stop me out, bro. I'm not dumb. I know you're gonna do it. Yes, already broke those lows there. Going into VWAP, just do it. What are you holding VWAP? We're holding VWAP though. Yeah, I know. Just stop me out. It's cool. It's whatever. It's whatever you want. Keep me in check. This was a play for today. This definitely was a play. Wait for the liquidity grab off the open into a major pool, and wait for buyers to take back control, and we hop along and follow the buys, follow the trend. That's all we do, baby. All we do day after day. I definitely know it's gonna stop me out. It definitely is going to right now. It's gonna do it. 100% you're gonna stop me out. I know you are. I know you are. I'm not dumb. I'm not dumb. Do it. Come on. Come on, do it. Do it. Stop me out. What are you doing? Wrong way. Stop me out. Stop me out. You're going the wrong way, Market. What are you doing? You gotta stop me out. I gotta go down. Market, what are you doing? Wrong way. Market. Wrong way. Market. You're not supposed to do this right now. Wrong way. What is the market doing? What is the market doing? You're supposed to stop me out here. What are you doing? What are you fucking doing? Market, I really don't know what you're doing here, but you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing, that's for sure. You're supposed to stop me out and go down. But you're not doing right here. I'm not sure exactly what you're doing. But you're not supposed to be doing this, market. You're supposed to stop me out. There you go. That way. Keep going down, stop me out. But the reverse psychology doesn't work anymore. Shit. Oh no. The reverse psychology was working until it didn't. Market, stop me out. Go, keep going down. Keep going. Stop me out, market. You're going to. I know you are. No doubt in my mind, stop me out. We got pretty close to triple there. I was trying the reverse psychology trick on the market here. It was working for a second. Reverse psychology trick, man. That's my type. I ain't scared of no bitch ass market. I'm a dog. Woof, woof. Big wave here. Bam! All right, we're trimming. We're trimming. We're trimming. Risk free, risk free, risk free, risk free, risk free. Risk free, baby. Risk free, baby. Risk free, baby. Risk free, baby. Risk free. Risk free. Risk free. Did the 90s. Did the 90s there, guys. Did the 90s. Big boy. Oh, big boy's gonna go. He's gonna fucking go. Come on, man. You secured 7 racks, and it's free now. Oh my god, the rest is fucking out. Holy dick and balls. What just happened? Alright, we're out of 90s. We secured a 1-to-1 trim. The rest got slipped out a tad bit. It's only up about 6 grand on that trade. I didn't get stopped out break even on the rest. It was a little bit red. Yeah, I know, guys. That was pretty fucking nuts, right? We got insanely lucky there. Secured the cash. Got slipped out a lot, right? A G, but it's the way she goes. Should have secured 7 grand for the day. But I ain't mad about it. Now, let's go back and review the rest of the week. Let's go ahead and lock this trade in right here. Ain't too mad about this one. I mean, 1-to-1 R&R on the first trim. We actually were risking more on this trade than we made, so it's a negative R multiple. And I'm not really going to count it as a win. Yeah, we got slipped out. We did take a first take profit, but, you know, not counting as a win. It didn't go to where I wanted it to go. I got lucky with this trade. I'm not going to lie. We did get lucky with it. Let's go back to ES and review our week. And we didn't catch the shorts, man. I'm salty because we had a perfect break retest, but since I was up, perfect break retest here, but since I was up 5 grand on NQ on a Friday, locking in 20 grand for the start of September. Like, it made no sense for me to continue to trade today. I was super happy with my profits. We ended up missing out on a massive short, but I wasn't really looking for shorts today because we're at all-time high. Let the market sell off, let the market get away from all-time high, and next week we'll have a much better chance of making some dough. But day before, guys, yesterday we took these trades live. Made a nice long 13 racks on the ES from our demand level. Pre-market plan played out perfectly. Day before, right? This is why this week's been a little tough for me. Day before, we get into a long off demand, ticked out, re-enter, and we go to TP, right? Day before that, we get into shorts, ticked out, didn't re-enter because Trump was speaking later, straight to TP. That's been my week. It's been an amazing week. I'm not going to complain. I'm alive. I'm breathing. So let me know how y'all did down below in the comments. Green, red, what your biggest issue was this week. If you loved this week, if you hated this week, let me know down below. Also, let me know what other videos you'll want to see next on this channel, guys. But overall, amazing week. Not going to complain. I'll see y'all next time, guys.